Today I'm going to be reviewing Alecaremed Pulse Oximeter 4-color OLED. I just have it on the demo. It comes with a strap. I went ahead and you had to put it in yourself. Don't know if I'm going to use that. I already have a pulse oximeter. I had it during COVID. Now whenever I'm sick, I just go check, make sure my pulse and my oxygen levels are good. It's another good indicator to help you if you're not feeling well. I'd like to thank Alecaremed for sending this to me to review. It does have a memory of 20 measurements. So if you want to go through the memory, or if you want to go through the menu, you just have to hold this down for 2 seconds and that does it. It's pretty quick at measuring everything. Pretty standard, nothing crazy here. It does come with the 2 AAA batteries that you need to put in there, which is just on the back. It's just a plastic casing, but that's how they all are. And so for the price, I think it's not a bad deal. This does really well on Amazon. It's got 4.6 stars. I like to see at least 4.4, so it beats that. 2,612 ratings. And last month, September 2025, over 2,000 of these were bought. So if you're looking for a pulse oximeter, this might just be a good one for you. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.